In this video, I'm gonna show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets without losing data. So let's get started. A common issue with merging cells is that only data in upper leftmost cell is retained, while the rest of the data is lost. Here, I will show you quick solution to merge cells without losing the data. Let's say we have this data in Google Sheet. We want to merge all the country names under each sport category into a single cell. First, select the cells containing the data you wish to merge. Now press Ctrl C to copy the selected data. Remember, only the data in upper leftmost cell will be retained. Now go to the desired cell where you want to merge the data. Press F2 or access the formula bar. Now delete the existing value and paste the copied data. Now all the values are pasted within a single cell. Let's select all the cells containing the data you wish to merge. Now on the ribbon, locate the Merge Cells option. Choose Merge Vertically under Select Merge Type menu. A warning prompt will be displayed reminding you that only top leftmost value will be retained. Just confirm the action. The cells are now merged vertically, consolidating the data into single cell. Now you can repeat the same process for other categories as needed. So that is how you can merge cells in Google Sheets without losing data. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.